Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about sentence. Everyone familiar with this topic sentence? Sentence, what is sentence? Sentence means a sentence consists of sense and tense. Now what do you mean by sense and tense? Sense is a proper arrangement of the word, a meaningful words that put together. And what do you mean by tense? Tense is the time of action. So now we can say a sentence consists of sense and tense, a proper arrangement of the word in a sentence, in a statement, that is sentence. Now today we talk about division of the sentence according to its structure. Basically, sentence divide the different types, like according to their statement, according to their meaning, according to their use, etc. Now, simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, या फिर compound complex sentence. This division is based on the structure of the sentence, syntax. Now, firstly, we talk about the simple sentence. What is simple sentence? Simple sentence means a sentence that has a subject and a predicate is called simple sentence. It expresses a single complete thought, and a simple sentence is a single independent clause, a finite verb. For example, the man is too weak to walk. In this sentence, the verb finite is the only verb that agrees with its subject, the man, in number, tense, and person, since sentence consists only one finite verb. It is a simple sentence. You need to learn one finite verb, a sentence that has single subject and predicate, or one finite verb. Next, compound sentence. What is compound sentence? Compound sentence means when a principal clause is joined with a coordinate clause. It's compound sentence. A compound sentence consists of a principal clause and one or more coordinate clause joined by a coordinator. Now, what is coordinator? What is coordinating conjunction? Actually, coordinate clause is that begins with a coordinator. Coordinate clause is that begins with a coordinator is a coordinate clause. Now, what is coordinator? Coordinator means and, but, or, nor, nevertheless. Coordinate that join the sentence. For example, Rahim joined early but he failed in the contest. In the above sentence, there are two verbs, finite. In sentence, joined and failed are finite, and hence it is not a simple sentence. In other words, the first verb joined has the subject Rahim of its own, and second verb failed has the subject he. In some cases it is omitted, but now hence the sentence is not a simple one. So the conjunction to separate the two clauses, Rahim joined early and he failed in the contest, is, and the sentence is therefore compound. So now can say the conjunction to join the clause in a compound sentence are, and earlier we talked about coordinator clause. Now is this the conjunction to join the clauses in the compound sentence are, and, but, yet, whatever. Such conjunctions are known as the coordinating conjunction. So a compound sentence takes its form at the joining of or more clauses with the coordinating conjunction to the main principal clause. That's mean a sentence that has two or more coordinating clauses, that is compound sentence. Next, complex. What is complex sentence? Mix. Complex sentence that has a principal clause and one or more than one subordinate clause. Subordinate clause means a dependent clause has a subject and a verb, but it does not make sense on its own. For example, he became panic as if he was convicted. Or when I visited him yesterday, he was in a hurry to go out. Now analyze the examples. The principal clause in sentence first, he became panic, and in second sentence, he was in a hurry to go out. Do stand independently. And the other clause are connected with the main clause with the conjunction as if and when respectively. Such clauses are subordinates and therefore the sentence are complex one. So a complex sentence is one which consists of one main clause and one or more subordinate clause. So subordinating conjunctions मीन्स जो कंजक्शंस हमें subordinate conjunctions are the conjunction that then other coordinating, like the conjunctions to join the clauses in a complex sentence, maybe, although, even though, thou, as if, etc. So in short, the subordinating conjunctions are the conjunctions other than coordinating. Now if there are any doubt, you can send a message in comment section. Thank you.